What is rendering? Rendering is the creation of the frames of a movie from composition. The rendering of a frame is the creation of a composited two-dimensional image from all the layers, setting, and other informations in a composition that makes up the model for that image. The rendering of a movie is the frame-by-frame rendering of each of the frames that make up the movie. It is common to speak of rendering as if this term only applies to final output. The process of creating preview for the footage, layer and composition panel are also kinds of rendering. It is possible to save a preview as a movie and use that as your final output. After a composition is rendered for final output, it is processed by one or more output modules that encode the rendered frames into one more output file. The process of encoding rendered frames into files for output is one kind of exporting. Project setting. For more information about the project setting that determine how time is displayed in the project, how color data is treated in the project, and what sampling rate to use for audio. Composition setting. How you can specify composition settings such as resolutions, frame size, and pixels aspect ratio for your final rendering output. After Effects provides various rendering options that help you accelerate the rendering process. GPU accelerations offer better speed and precision in rendering your effects. The video rendering and effects drop down in the project setting and dialog box given you to following GPU effects rendering option to choose from. Software only CPU is used to render effect. Render and export with the render queue panel. Rendering and exporting movie from the After Effects is through render queue panels. When you place a composition into a render queue panel, it becomes a render item. You can add many items to the render queue, and After Effects can render multiple items in a batch unattended. When you click the render button in the upper right corner of the render queue panels, all items with the status of queue are rendered and output in the order in which they are listed in the render queue panel. Manage render items. Render queue panels. You can manage several render items at once, each with its own render setting and output module setting. Render setting determines the following characteristics: output, frame rate, duration, resolutions, layer quality. Output module setting, output format, compressions options, cropping, embedded, a link to the project. You can output using lossless compressions. No compressions. To QuickTime container for transfer to a non-linear editing system for video editing. Choose a log type from log menu. When a log file has been written, the path to a log file appears under the render setting heading and log menu. Choose format and output setting. After Effects provide various format and compressions option for output. Which format and compression options you choose depend on how your output will be used. For example, if your movie that you render from After Effects is the final project that will be played directly to the audience, then you need to consider the medium from which you will play the movie and what limitations you have on file size and data rate. And by contrast, if the movie that you create from After Effects is the intermediate product and that you will be used in the output to the video editing system, and you should output used compressions to format compatible with the video editing system. If you choose For Q composition in the collection source files. Dialog box. After Effects use the proxy setting from the render setting not to the composition. None project only. Copy the project to the new location without collecting any source footage.